We are back, part 2, hollowing the bowl with the Nifty Navy Wife. I'm sure you guys are excited about this. Let's see how I mess up today. But you know, hopefully I don't mess up. Because if for some reason you did not see the first part of this video, I successfully hollowed a beautiful bowl with gorgeous patterns. But of course I screwed up the bottom. I haven't done that part yet. And I probably won't do the bottom for this video either of this bowl because it makes me nervous. Alright, so let's begin. Safety mask. I gotta wipe all the condensation off because this garage is freezing here in Rhode Island. We had a blizzard the other day, and I am still snow out everywhere in the ground, and it's very cold. Very cold. Alright. Woo! Yeah, I gotta bolt this lathe down. Probably very dangerous. And you know what? I put this little guy in here, but I'm going to leave the big one in because I forgot we are going from an angle. And I like to have more of a tool rest. Let me see, that looks good there. What do you guys think? Is this good? Please wish... Please wish me luck here. Alrighty. Let's do this. If you didn't see the first video, I have a bowl gouge in the mail I ordered, but it's not here yet. As you can tell by my Nifty Navy Wife, I am a military wife, and we don't have too much extra money to spend on things. And I've spent a lot of money already on the lathe, which I got used. But like I need a Jacob's truck for this end. That's gonna have to wait next Christmas. But I don't have a bowl gouge. But I did order. I found one cheap, high-speed steel one on eBay for $24. Or no, $29. So after watching more and more videos, I found that the people would either kind of come across, so you wouldn't be able to see me, but kind of did that. Or I'm just going to keep working it this way. Hoping you're able to see me still, or see my hands rather. Hope I'm not in the way. In a big green sweatshirt. don't even know if I should try this in here. Not do. I need to go back and try to whittle this part off here. And this is how I do it, and of course, once again, there might be better ways out there. Just getting that middle part off. I'll tell you, you guys and gals that do this make it look so easy. It's not. I know that's a no-no. Sorry about that. I did that other bowl, and now I can't remember how I got this little thing off. Alright, thank God. Does you see how gross this mask is? It's from breathing because it's so dang cold in here. Alrighty. And I'm sorry if that was awful way to get it off, but So now this little guy goes up here with my little collection on them. Just thinking about making like a little town with all these leftover little guys up here. You see them? Maybe a little town for my daughters. Alright. So there's the bowl. Got a lot longer to go. Do a quick sharpen. Alright, I'm already on time. 17 minutes left. Oh. Turn it, making sure it's stable. Alright, now this is how I've been doing it, folks. Well, this is how I did it for 2 bowls anyway. I don't know if you remember my other videos. The bowl kept falling off the chuck. Yeah, I know I'm a little jumpy to that. Now right now, I'm not sure if this is too fast or too slow. Oh, fudge. Now you know what? I promise you guys, it did not come off once the last time I did it. That bowl I made, it did not come off once. So maybe I'm getting a little excited, a little antsy. Trying to do it too quick for the camera. Deep breath. Alright, I gotta go slower. I know I'm going too quick. Gosh, my head itches and I can't itch it right. Right at my forehead, right where this mask sits. Let me use this handy little tool that I made. Gosh, my hand is jumping a lot with this. Yeah, that's good. That's a good tip. Now this is kind of how it started started rounding the top with my last one. Excuse my language. I wish I had one of those. I wish I had one of those tools that's got the little circular tip to it. It looks so easy that way to use those. It's a lot of things, I guess, on my wish list someday. Am I going too fast right now? I'm just a bit worried about it. I feel like that's definitely too jumpy. I know I'm not doing perfect, but if you had seen my other video, I think you'd agree that I'm doing a lot better. Hey, Sadie. My 4-year-old's at the door. Gosh, that noise. Someone better write. They better write what the heck that noise is. You know what I could try is drying this in the microwave. I've got to get my daughter off the school bus soon. I still have a little ways more to go down there, but I am pretty happy with what I have been doing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep on going. And eventually I'm going to sand it out. I just did kind of a funky shape on the outside. Oops. But I hope that you guys can watch this and give me any advice. I would love it. And hopefully I'll be a pro at this in a few months or a few years. Thank you very much.